I have a Britain.
Sarraken left side.
Healer, I'm rupting the
Okay,
healer.
Too far for me.
Okay, Sarraken.
That was
Healer
close.
is mocked.
Kobe next. Oh. Big mess.
Thank you.
We will go cleric next.
Imagine. Yes. Stall him, you.
Sarraken.
Alright, good damn.
Means
Oh,
again.
there's another group going behind them. And another group, tank group behind us.
Northeast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm stunned out.
On Maluka, please.
This Highlander's all over me as well, though. Need to die.
Yeah, debuffing him.
Mid sounds good to me.
Need to clear pets.
Yeah.
Next week on Maluka, please.
Yeah.
More pet. More
Yeah.
not coming.
We need to move. This is a bad spot for mobs. And there's no flag here anyway. Kill the shrooms.
Are the shrooms supposed to be picking up grey pets, grey mobs? Are they broken?
Not sure.
Stay
Yeah,
left
they keep
side,
following
yeah.
me.
Oh, flag is right there.
Mezzin.
Kobe. Troll on us. Okay, Frostalf next.
First step is a healer, I think.
Dwarf next. No, actually. Right side, got to do well.
Valky is immune to
Okay,
ult,
Dwarf in us, yeah.
curing NS.
They're gonna.
Dwarf to the west.
Okay, just focus west.
Fuck.
Kobe.
I'm mezzing that big clump down the hill.
Kobe. Continue.
I think the flag is up the
Yeah, flags
There
move
is
to the
one
side.
good.
No,
Careful.
yeah.
From the right.
east.
Oh, I didn't see this.
That's it.
I'm stunned out.
I'm messed. Fuck.
Gonna sauce. Just sauce out. Regroup. Just go, yeah, shrooms, good call.
Yeah, it's just full
You're
rebuff
gonna
here.
stun the cleric in front. Maybe. No.
Okay, I'm going right side.
Yeah,
That
going.
amnesia spawn.
Minstrel can die, maybe?
Sorry, I'm not.
We're gonna get hit from the left as well, it looks. Maybe not.
Debuffing Minstrel again.
Oh, fuck. I'm stunned, I cannot shell.
Nice.
Need
Stuck on the
Alvor,
door to
Alvor.
get some
Next on what?
Maluka.
Doing NS.
Maluka.
Okay. One mezzed on the right. Two swords
Debuffing
mezzed.
Highlander, maybe?
Sorry, I broke that.
It's all good.
Doing NS.
Oh,
Nice
big
route,
wood. Sarraken, my target, maybe?
Spam amnesia
this
on
grab.
the warlock.
Okay,
They're
they
gonna
get
get
hit as
hit.
well from west.
Less Est.
Sarraken, my target.
The mezzin.
Dex quick.
Doing NS.
Resourced. Sarraken, my target can die.
Dex quick for the animist.
Switching
I
to
think
the
that
group on the
guy
right.
is immune to it.
Comes.
They got two road behind.
No pet for the moment. The amazing.
I need
Yeah,
to know
messes
what's
out.
up if you can.
Okay, mezz's out.
Routing the pet on John.
I route.
No.
Done.
Immune to it.
C'est la route. Non, c'est mieux.
Didn't see it.
Okay, Dwarf gonna be the target. Yeah, Dwarf is debuff. Other Dwarf switching.
The amazing you.
Shelling.
Ah,
Raising.
Okay, get,
Yeah, messes out.
Cleric, mark target if you can. Mark target, get done for sure. Nice.
I'm roped in the D-mes.
Get Almor next.
Okay, now Southwest is pushing us.
Oh shit, it's down.
Yep.
They're gonna get hit from behind, yeah.
I'm
D-mes
mess.
in.
5 seconds. Onwarded.
I'm
Mark
missed.
target Sargon if you can.
Missing Warden.
You can die.
Thank you.
Back.
Going NS.
Thank you.
Switching cover. Switching Kelt. North next.
Going right side, getting messes out.
Okay,
Chamois
open
south. Chamois far right.
Okay,
If we
incoming
can't
right.
Stun him.
Keep going right.
Good job.
Nice.
Need a cloak.
Getting
Working
big
right
mess
target.
out. I'm doing cloak now. Doing cloak. Or not, can't do it.
Okay, I cloak.
Kelt on me. Kelt.
Okay, there's a group west.
Okay.
They're not pushing.
Routing.
Kelt in
Yeah.
It's in the south in the middle.
Routing.
Stun on Maruka. But it's okay.
Okay, they're all friends.
Okay, the
It's over.
Alb group went north.
Oh, nice. We won.
We got first
Yeah.
place again. Nice.
Okay, getting mes off soon as we hit over hill.
I was totally in control as well.
Stun the circle.
Routing the pet.
Yeah, second. Return next.
He's pissed.
Big
Okay, the
mid
mid's
to
a southeast.
Southeast.
Kill this Templar.
Shrooms. Drop shrooms.
They coming.
Start pulling.
Pushing us.
This Templar. Kill the
Seems
Templar
like
on
fire.
me.
Yeah, routing the Templar. No, he's immune to
No, it's immune.
I pull them.
Kill it. Just kill it.
It's messed up, leave it.
Okay, troll.
Mes and back. Mes and backline. All backline mesed.
Troll can die.
Okay, they purged. All frosty purged.
North next.
I'm on the healers.
Troll next.
Stealth on the left is sitting down.
Good job.
There's a Templar if
There's
you
a
need a pet
BD
here.
east. BD east.
Take this Templar little as a pet behind.
I'll take it now.
I need specs on the board again.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I'm getting used to it. It's my favorite caster, I think, and
That always resist the first, man.
50-50.
Where are we going?
Maluka on the, yeah. Yeah, the middle boat's different though.
I think their code got split.